Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Inkjecta Flite Nano Ultra Lite. The Inkjecta Flite Nano Ultra Lite takes everything that tattoo artists love about the standard Flite Nano machines and adds a new nifty innovation. So let's take a closer look. As its name suggests, the Flite Nano Ultra Lite is incredibly lightweight and tops the scales at only 45 grams, and that includes all attachments. This makes this rotary the lightest tattoo machine around. The frame of Inkjecta's ultralight machine and the newly developed needle bar are made of injection-moulded carbon fibre, which helps with the weight reduction. The Flite Nano Ultra Lite features an RCA connection here, as well as an LED light to indicate full function of your cable and power supply. It also comes pre-installed with a 3.25mm extender. As with the other Inkjecta Flite Nano models, the ultralight version is powered by a custom nanotechnology motor that offers no startup delay when starting the machine. Alongside the machine and carbon fibre needle bar, the box includes a semi-rigid needle bar, plus soft, medium and hard torsion bars. The ultralight is also compatible with all Inkjecta Flite Nano accessories such as bumpers, caps and accenters, which means that you can easily exchange them to suit your needs and preferences. The Inkjecta Flite Nano Ultralight is a complete all-rounder and suitable for all tattooing styles, making it a worthy addition to the acclaimed Flite Nano range. The Flite Nano Ultralight is available in two colours, Blue Tongue and Complete Carbon, both of which can be ordered from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Inkjecta Flite Nano Ultralight, what do you think? Will you be adding it to your rotary arsenal? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.